I'm Holt Webb, the author and creator of a brand new children's picture book titled I Know in My Heart. It goes on sale today, as a matter of fact. You can get it at most retail bookstores, though they may have to order it for you. You can order it online. I just searched Barnes & Noble and Books A Million and found it there this morning. You can also get the paperback and the ebook on Amazon.com. They don't have the hardcover yet. That's where you're going to have to go to Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, all those other places. Even your little local retail bookstore should be able to order it for you. And if it gets popular enough, they'll start to carry it. All right, on with the show. I promised a book reading today. This is the launch of I Know in My Heart, so I'm going to give you a book reading. You ready? I Know in My Heart, created by and written by me, Holt Webb, and illustrated by Mark Nino Belita. Aren't these illustrations amazing? All right, let's get into it. I Know in My Heart. This is our main character, Elvie. What I know in my heart, I'm sure must be true, and I trust that my heart will tell me what to do. There's Elvie getting ready for the day. It's hard to explain how I know that it's true, but my heart knows the way, and your heart does too. There's Elvie getting ready to go out for the day. I know in my heart what's wrong and what's right, and I know good from bad, like I know day from night. Elvie's passing a couple of characters that are up to no good, right? What's a good thing to do? Make somebody smile, or help someone who's tired. Let them rest for a while. Elvie comes across a character here getting worn out, raking the leaves. Elvie helps out so that the character can rest and maybe enjoy a lemonade or whatever's going on in that glass. It's wrong to hurt others and take what's not mine. The right thing to do is to share and be kind. See this little character playing? This bully character steals the toy. But then the bully character realizes that he hurt the little one's feelings and now brings the toy back and they're sharing and playing together. How cool is that? Being kind means you care when someone else feels blue. We call it compassion when we hurt for them too. Elvie got a flat tire, and one of the characters is consoling. It's so sweet. But it's not always easy to be kind when you're mad or when you're upset and your day has been bad. Have you ever been mean to someone, then felt sad and thought, if only they knew the rough day that I've had? This little character here is yelling at this one and then realizes, oh my goodness, I've hurt that one's feelings. Now I feel sad. I know in my heart bad days help me to be understanding of people who aren't nice to me. So that character that got yelled at yells at Elvie. And Elvie steps back for a minute and lets that character vent and realizes it's not about Elvie. This character had something else going on and just needed somebody to care about him a little bit. Some people seem nice and some people seem mean, but we shouldn't judge them. We don't know what they've seen. And then this little character is yelling at this one on the playground. Why? Probably because that little character got yelled at by its daddy. Who knows what's going on back home, right? No one's bad when they're born, but they can grow up that way. We really don't know what they go through each day. Isn't that a beautiful illustration? From the character being born all happy and innocent, all the way up to, oh my goodness, a stormy cloud, miserable day. What happened along the way? We don't know. We don't know. They might have been raised in an unhappy town, or maybe their parents were never around. That's a pretty unhappy looking town there. What are these two characters up to? No good, I'm betting. We fear and we hate because of what we don't know, but understanding and kindness help relationships grow. When I understand how you and I might agree, the ways we're different aren't so scary to me. Look at that. They're having fun together. They're very different, but they're enjoying each other's company. Playing dress up. Don't you love it? You might like to dance, and I like to dance too. You're a little like me, and I'm a little like you. That's one of my favorite illustrations. Share a smile, a kind word. It can go a long way, because when somebody smiles, it can brighten your day. Look at that. Elvie's smiling at a stranger, and that stranger smiled right back. How cool is that? And you know, they might smile at the next face that comes near, spreading kindness and love and compassion, not fear. They're passing that smile along, passing to that one passes to that one. And from just that one smile, love can spread across town, sharing kindness and love the entire world around. Look at that. Just spreading kindness and love all through the town. How do I know this? I'm not sure. I just do. My heart makes me feel things, and I'm sure yours does too. But I know in my heart that love is the key to a happier world, and it all starts with me. Elvie and all of Elvie's friends discovering their happier world because they were nice and kind, and they took the time to understand each other and get to know each other a little bit. And that's the book. When you believe something to be true without being able to explain why, you can only say, I know it in my heart. We just followed along with Elvie, learning that kindness and finding something in common help us understand each other and maybe even get along, no matter how different we may have seemed at first. I hope you enjoyed I Know in My Heart. If you want to get yourself a copy, hop online, go to your nearest bookstore, say, hey, I want a copy of Holt Webb's I Know in My Heart. They're going to look at you like, we don't have that. It just released today, so you're going to have to ask them to look it up for you and order it, or you can order it online. Amazon, any bookstore. You can only get the hardcovers at the bookstores other than Amazon. They don't print this size hardcover yet, but we'll see. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.